Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September the 14th, 2022, and we're looking at our Dioscorea Alata Yam vines. Okay, these guys, they took to, a bunch of them have taken to the strings very well. This one seems to be doing exceptionally well. And they're basically in production right now. So in the ground, where these guys go into the ground, there is a yam that is being produced. Let me show you something amazing. This part of the yard doesn't really have much to talk about, but let's look at the other side of the yard. So here we are. These guys have come up out of the ground there, found these strings, these lead lines, and then they followed the lead lines to the main line, and the main line all the way up into the tree. You see that? And then now they're growing all the way up into the tree. See what I'm saying? That is insane. So the production of these yams is going to be catastrophically massive. Specifically that one right there. Boom. So I got to tell you, that's probably going to be a 50-plus pounder. It'd be weird if it wasn't, because it is producing a lot right now. It's catching a ton of light energy and doing its photosynthesis process and just producing the heck out of that yam that's in the ground. Also, if you look here, you'll see bulbils are forming. If you're interested in these yams, I'm going to be listing these online at some point in the end of this grow season, so stay tuned for that. Folks, this is awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I will keep you updated on whether or not these yams produce 50-plus pound yams. Have a great day.